Want to speak real Bulgarian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at BulgarianPod101.com.
Здравей! Здравей! Hello! How to start? How should we start? I think there's no better way to start but to say Здравей! Zdravei. Hello. Well, hello everyone. Zdravei is like an informal way to say it. You can say Здравейте, the formal one. Also plural, yeah. You can say Здравейте to multiple people. And also if you hear that some Bulgarian people say Zdrasti, Zdrasti, this is the short version of hello. Just hi.
Adjective.
Прилагателно. Прилагателно.
Afternoon.
Следобед. Следобед.
Air conditioner.
Климатик. Климатик.
Airplane.
Самолет. Самолет.
Best.
Най-добър. Най-добър.
Big. Голям. Голям.
Bitter.
Горчив. Горчив.
Boring.
Отекчителен. Отекчителен.
Моля. Моля. Please. Моля. Моля. It's a very important word because it shows politeness. It shows good intention. This is the Bulgarian word for please. Please. Also, moля means I beg you, I beg of you. But you can also add it to any sentence if you would like to request something. And we'll see later on how to use моля. Благодаря. Благодаря. Thank you. The next word is a very important one because it shows gratitude. Благодаря. Благодаря. One word. It means thank you. But the root of the word is благо, which is all the best things or the nice things. Даря, I'm gifting them to you. Like nice things I'm giving. So you can say благодаря. But also for people who don't feel confident in saying this long word in Bulgarian, it's fine for you to use the French merci, because we've stolen that one in our language. Пак заповядай. Пак заповядай. You're welcome. And usually if you say благодаря, you can say right afterwards, пак заповядай. Пак заповядай. You are welcome. And you have the nicest of nicest things in your relationship with the person you have just met. Nice base to work on from then on. Да. Yes. Here are the two most important words to reply a yes and no question, which are the words yes and no. Da in Bulgarian means yes. Ne. No. Ne in Bulgarian means no. But don't confuse it with the type of nodding, because all over the world, this means da and this means ne. But only in Bulgaria, it's vice versa. So this would mean no, and this would mean yes. Not ne, da. Why? I can't even tell you. I can't. Some psychology thing, sociology, I don't know.
Boy.
Момче. Момче.
Boyfriend.
Приятел. Приятел.
Bread.
Хляб. Хляб.
Bus.
Автобус. Автобус.
Backbone.
Гръбнак. Гръбнак.
Door.
Заден двор. Заден двор.
Banana.
Банан. Банан.
Bandage.
Превръзка. Превръзка.
До скоро. До скоро. See you later. We are almost towards the end. It seems proper that I give you 2 phrases of how to part with people. So bear with me. До скоро. До скоро means see you later. Довиждане. Довиждане. Goodbye. Another word would be довиждане. Довиждане. Goodbye. And don't be afraid to use the Italian ciao because it's so short and so easy and everybody uses it. And this is another foreign word that we have stolen and claimed in our Bulgarian language.
Bathe.
Къпя се. Къпя се.
Bathroom.
Баня. Баня.
Be late.
Закъснявам. Закъснявам.
Beard.
Брада. Брада.
Beautiful.
Красив. Красив.
Bed.
Легло. Легло.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.